Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you can you get DJ and IM security? Ever wondered if you can become the DJ and IM security? While the game teases roles like DJ and barman, these positions aren't fully implemented yet. Some players who've tried accessing them report glitches and incomplete features, suggesting they're still in development. The game has had updates, but there's no official word on where these roles will be ready. For now, it's best to keep expectations in check and watch for official announcements. To stay updated, head to Steam, search for IM Security, and you'll see its still mark coming soon. You can also join community hubs like Discord, Reddit, or Oculus Quest groups to keep track of news, especially about the highly anticipated DJ mode. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.